Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on an all-new 2024 Aviara AV40. This boat is an absolute tank. It's got the deployable swim platform, comes out the back, and not one, but both of these side terraces are power actuated and fold out. So you're talking a lot of space at the back of this boat when you're out at anchor. Also back here you have these seats, call them bar stool style seats here. These lift up. These seat backs lift up. So voila, you have the stadium seating right at the back of the boat. You can do that all the way across there. Coming into the boat here, big, long, entertaining area here. Big seat here. Nice seat rest back here. So put a ton of people on this boat. Also, you have your trash can here. There's 2 trash cans on the boat, which is awesome. You have 2 refrigerators on here. Storage for your grilling utensils, paper plates, and your grill. Over here you have your sink and bottle storage. Down here your fire extinguisher, and you hit this little up button right here. What that's going to do, going to bring this TV up so you can hook your phone up to the TV, stream whatever you want to stream. Don't miss your favorite game, favorite team, whatever it may be. So really cool feature there. Coming over here, another cooler, so you have 2 refrigerators and a cooler there, so plenty of places to hold the cold ones. And then with your second trash can right here, plenty of places to throw your empties. So coming over to the helm, see a nice long bench seat over here. This is joystick powered. Great glass dash on this boat, have a ton of visibility, easy to look around on this boat all the way around. Okay. Fun boat to drive. Also, fun boat to stay on if you need to. Have a cabin down here, full-size head. You have a queen-size bed under the stairs there. Moving forward into the bow. There's, again, a ton of seating up here. I mean, I can't even imagine how many people you could legitimately put on this boat. But if you put as many people on this boat as there are cup holders, you would have a pile of them. So you got USBs up here as well as the cup holders like we just touched on. But big, deep seating. Nice big area. And back at the boat, you can see how massive the hardtop is. You have a power actuated sunroof in the hardtop, as well as the make fast sure shade in the back of it. I mean, just so much to say in this boat and go through. You just really got to come see one of these in person. So once again, Captain Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to walk all the way through this 2024 Aviara AV40. But like I said, once again, if you can get down and check one of these out in person, take a ride on one, I highly suggest it. These are awesome boats. It'd be a great boat for Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks. Have a great day.